What's up, guys? 2020, 21, 22 Hyundai Palisade. If you guys need to change the cabin filter, so again, I showed you guys the cabin filter in my air engineer filter video. Premium guard filter, and this is the brand. Good 20 bucks. So we're gonna open this glove box. You're gonna have a lot of stuff in here. Usually you're gonna have to move all this stuff out unless you just want to let it drop. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna turn these. You're gonna have to lift up the glove box a bit and turn this counterclockwise. This will come off. Save it. Right and left is different. And same thing on the other side. I'm gonna switch up hands. I am gonna go back on it and I'm gonna switch it and pull it out. Okay, you're gonna have to lift up the glove box a little bit to pull it down. So you do have this little guy right here. You're gonna have to probably get a screwdriver or something and really hard force, and this guy should come off and it will fall down like that. A lot of times things will go back there like that, but anyways, this is where your filter housing. So you're gonna squeeze on this and it's gonna come out just like that from that side and it shoots out. Anyways, airflow down, and this filter is damaged. Okay, there you go. Airflow, if it has a symbol, good. If it doesn't, usually it's like a tray. This lip is higher than the bottom lip. Okay, so the leaves sit up here. So airflow, we do have it. So we're gonna take this filter housing and we're gonna take this filter and stick it right in, and then we're gonna take this cover, stick this side in first, and this side should snap right in just like that. And then we're gonna lift this up. We're gonna get this guy in first. That's gonna hold everything in place. So we're gonna start off from this side. We're gonna lift up. We're gonna go beyond the point, and then we're gonna turn that. Okay. And then don't know where I put this side. Where did I put this side? Okay, I gotta get this side in too. But after that, your glove box should come down slowly. So you turn this side as well. So I gotta find the second one here. Where the hell did I just put it? I just had it in my hand. Anyways, I'll finish that out in a minute. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna end the video here. Just put that second switch on. Gonna have to look for it. It's gotta be down here somewhere. That quickly I lost it. Wow. Oh, I see it. It's right here. It's right here. So switching hands. So again, we're gonna get this in, but it's not gonna go in unless you lift up the housing, the glove box, the whole thing. And then this one is counterclockwise. I'm sorry, it is clockwise, but looking at it this way. So thank you for watching my video, and bye-bye. Car was off, everything was off. You can put the blower on to test it and everything. See you guys in the next video.